Hi, in this lesson, let's go through each and every section of the Microsoft ads, right? So, let's first start from the campaign section. So, here you see this is the overview, right? Here you can view the performance of the campaigns in a overview, right? At the top, if you see here you can select the campaigns and here you can select the campaign types, right? And here you can select the ad group status, and at the right side you can select the campaign types again. You see different campaign types that we have created, and again you can select the statuses, campaign status, ad group status, all these things, right? And here you can select the date range. What is the date range that you want to view the performance, right? And next is the recommendations. Similar to Google Ads optimization score, for Microsoft also it has optimization score. So that optimization score you can view here. Okay. So next is the insights. So this is insights. So these insights are provided by Microsoft AI, right? And here it is the campaign section. You can view the campaigns, their performance here. Okay. So one thing you have to remember is the revenue. So what we have discussed, the primary metrics, impressions, clicks, cost, conversions, conversion value, right? When it comes to Microsoft, it is impressions, clicks, cost, conversions and revenue. So this is the difference. So in Google Ads, we call it as conversion value, that is the value of the products if there is any, and in Microsoft Ads, it is revenue. This is the little difference, please remember this one, right? So next here, according to the segments, you can view the data, and here it is the columns. You can modify the columns and add the respective columns as per the requirement, right? And this is the download section. So you can view and download the data and expand table and graph, right? So automate, that means the rules, and this is the paste. So these are self-explanatory, right? We have seen all of them, and here you can view the auction data, that is Microsoft Ads auction data, right? And next is the ad groups. So here also we will be having the similar columns and similar data, similar options only, right? So next is the product groups. This is for the shopping campaigns, right? So I suggest you to go through these sections once, and here you can also create the experiments if you want to test on any of the landing page or any of the text that you want to show as ads, right? And here it is the extensions. So if you observe here, still these are called as extensions only, but in Microsoft the extensions are called as assets, right? So these are the automated extensions. If you want, you can enable them, right? So you click on the manage automated extensions, and here you can select them, right? So I have told you, right, keep as much as control in your hands, don't give control to these algorithms, right? And here assets. So if you want, you can give the assets, right? So these are like, for the performance max campaign we have discussed it, right? What are the assets? And this is the dynamic ad targets. So this is for the DSA campaigns, right? And here you can add the dynamic negative targets, and here you can view the search terms that are triggering for the DSA campaigns, right? And this is the landing pages, and here you can see the auction, right? Auction insights. Next is the settings. You can see the settings for individual campaign or individual ad group based on the selection you have made, right? And this is the change history. So we have seen what is change history, right? So next is the keywords. So here you can add the keywords into the ad groups, right? All those things you can do it here. So audiences, obviously you can add audiences, you can give bid modifiers, and you can exclude them, right? All those things we can do here. So this is the demographics. In demographics for Microsoft, we have 3 more options, that is company, industry and job function, right? So next is the locations. You see here, locations, ad schedule and devices. We have discussed all of them, right? So all of them we can do analysis, and according to the performance we can give the bid modifiers, or if you want you can exclude them, right? So next is the conversions. We have seen, right, what is UET tag. First you need to install the UET tag on your website. After you install it, you can create the conversion actions here, right? So you can place that conversion action in the final thank you pages. So next is the asset library. So here you can add the images and videos, and we have seen import section. So this is reporting. So here you can build the customized reports as per your requirement, right? So next is the merchant center. We have seen what this is. Next is the billing section. So make sure that in the billing section you provide all the correct details, right? So next is the settings. So one important thing that we need to discuss in the settings is user management. So here you can invite the other users to access this account. We have discussed this importance, right? So if you want, you can click on the invite user and you can give the access, right? And next is the tools. So here this is the campaigns. When you click on it, you will be landing in this page. Okay. So next is the audiences. We have seen it. In the bids and budgets, you will see the bidding strategies and portfolio bids, shared budgets, all those things. You see all these things, right? So we know all these things, right? These are the self-explanatory things by now. So next is the conversions. When you click on it, you will land on the conversions page only, right? And next is the keywords. So when you click on it, you will go to the keyword planner, and here you see negative keyword list, right? So let's move forward, and this is the ad preview. When you click on the ad preview, you will be able to see whether your ads are appearing on the Microsoft search engine. Okay, you see here Microsoft Bing search results, right? So this is the performance targets. So we have discussed about performance groups and performance targets, right? This is similar to it only. And here this is website exclusions. So when you analyze the performance for native ads, display ads and video ads, right? So after analyzing, if you want to exclude any of the placements, you can exclude from here. Okay. So next is the asset library. We have seen it. And business locations, we have also seen it when we have created store campaigns, right? Physical store campaigns. In Microsoft also, this is similar to what we have discussed, right? And this is property center for the hotels, and this is merchant center. This is store ads, and rest you can leave them. So next is the bulk actions. We have seen, right, bulk actions, how to implement the rules. And this is the business data where we can add the feeds, and this is imports, this is labels. So we can give a name for a set of ad copies like that, right? So this is Microsoft Advertising Editor. We have also seen what is Microsoft Advertising Editor, right? So I suggest you to practice Microsoft Editor as many times as possible. Okay. So next is the reporting tool, and this is the Microsoft Clarity. This is another tool that is related to Microsoft. So this is for the Microsoft Advertising mobile app, and you see all accounts, account map, billing. So almost everything we have discussed. So if we have missed anything, I strongly believe that you will be able to figure it out with the knowledge that you have gained till now, right? We have successfully completed creating campaigns and exploring all the sections of Microsoft Advertising tool, right? I hope you will practice this in your accounts, right? So all the best for your journey. Thank you.